If the contact photo in your iPhone looks like this gray circle, then we will see how to make it better. Now if you have to change the contact photo, then at first you should have the photo saved in your iPhone. After that, open the contacts application and search for the contact whose photo you want to change. Open it, select edit, add photo, go to photos and select the photo of the contact. You can swipe to choose different style, then select done. Now this will be the poster photo. This photo will appear when the contact will give you a call. Select continue, and this will be the contact photo that appears in applications such as messaging app. Now you can have the same photo or you can use another photo. Select, choose a different photo, photos, and then select a photo. Choose, you can choose different styles. After that, next, continue, and you can see this will be the poster photo and this will be the contact photo. Select done, and in this way you have now changed the contact photo on iPhone. Thank you for watching the video. If you found the video helpful, then please like the video, comment on the video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.